We are excited to announce Phase 2 of our national rollout. Cape Town, you can now experience the deep clean your home desperately craves. Register your interest now and receive an early bird discount. Not only that, but one lucky homeowner will receive an entire home deep clean free of charge. Is your roof looking less than its best? Don't let algae, moss, and lichen take over and dampen your home's curb appeal. At Dirtbusterz, we are your trusted professionals in high-pressure cleaning, with a specialization in roof cleaning that can truly transform your home. Our dedicated team of experts takes pride in brightening up homes aesthetically. We understand that a clean and appealing roof not only enhances your home's overall appearance, but also prolongs its lifespan.